Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's get into it right now. We're going to talk about 4 altcoins right now to buy as Bitcoin reaches all-time highs again. We're going to be talking about why these cryptos are moving, as well as why we're seeing some moves in the market overall. As we near the presidential election, Bitcoin is absolutely exploding. And this is obviously going to be just an article that we dive into. It's not to be confused with financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence as we talk about crypto on this channel. All right, so that's what we have going on. We have seen Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Jasmy, some of the bigger gainers of the day. Bitcoin overall, if we look down into it right now, we're seeing it at a flat kind of hour, but we have a 2.9% gain for BTC as we near 70,000. We did get a very impressive month, up 6.1%. And for a crypto at a $1.38 trillion market cap, 6% on a month is very, very enticing. Okay. So let's get into conversation right now. And we're going to look into these altcoins. I want to share with you guys also, if you haven't done so, I do have a link down below for Margex. That is a leverage trading platform that you guys should all check out. There is a discount on trading fees if you use my link, as well as some enticing airdrops they do from time to time. Leverage trading is extremely volatile. There's no KYC with Margex, so make sure it's right for you and where you're located. And if you want to get started trading on Margex today, links down below. Okay. But right now we have a lot of buzz going in the crypto world right now. Bitcoin nearing 70,000, and these are 4 cryptos that this article from CoinGape is kind of singling out as crypto to buy as we hit 70,000 once more. Okay, stuck on that 69,000 level though. We'll see if we break through it this week. Obviously, with the presidential election right around the corner, I think that's going to be firmly in the cards. And the first one we're going to talk about is Dogecoin. Now, I did briefly mention Doge. I talked Dogecoin a lot here on the channel. But we have seen an impressive 6% increase over the last 24 hours. And if you remember back on the crypto bubbles, we are now up 13% and climbing. So Dogecoin trading at that 16 cents, that is the upper level of my zone where I look for Dogecoin to kind of like to trade between 13 and 16 cents. And we have seen kind of some upward steam where we look into today as a whole. We got as high as 16.12 on the charts. Look for Dogecoin to break out. Obviously, we've been talking about it. I talk about Dogecoin every single day on the channel, but recent sentiment data is showing a lot of whale activity. Now, a lot of people message me in the comments and they go, why are you talking about Dogecoin? Dogecoin's dead. It's going to zero. I hear all this from time to time, but the whales do not listen to you. Okay. That's where we've seen this whale activity pick up since April. We kind of flattened off in July, but then back in mid-September, Dogecoin really got propelled in terms of their price action in a upward trajectory due to the renewed interest from whales. Now, we all know how Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and some of the meme coins kind of have these whale movements, if you will, the if you call it price manipulation, whatever you want to call it. But right now at 15, 16 cents on the chart, you can see how the whale activity indicated by these red kind of bars at the bottom of this graph coincide with the rising price in Dogecoin and also the falling price. So it's something to follow, something to track, but that is extremely an increase of activity. So Dogecoin looking to go higher, and I kind of have to agree with this trend. Okay. Next, we're going to talk about Solana. Now, Solana, as we all know, one of the more popular layer ones, a lot of bullish price predictions for Solana. I was buying Solana at $19. So incredible price movements and gains that we've had within Sol. Now trading at $172 roughly, a huge, huge gain over the week. And we've seen a lot of the upward trajectory within Solana over the full year. I think this is one of the best performing cryptos in the entire market, upwards of 450% in gains. And now as we look for Solana, some of these bullish price predictions, I kind of have to get on board with, right? $250, $500, even $1,000 for Solana. I definitely think that is one of the bigger storylines where I do think that has a lot of steam. And if we look at Solana on the chart today, you can see what we're doing for the 5th ranked crypto. This has been a flat day, but guys, like I talked about, 5.7% on the week, 12% on the month, and 435% on the last 365 days. Can't ignore it. I mean, that chart looks extremely bullish. I know it doesn't really tell the whole story. We'd have to dive into the trading view. But like I said, I was buying Solana at $19 and using my trading indicator to kind of lock in some swing trades and really playing off of that momentum, because Solana is one of my favorite cryptos to actually trade, not necessarily hold, just due to its volatility. I think that gives you a lot of opportunities to swing trade Solana due to that volatility. One of my favorite plays to do in crypto. Okay. Back into it, we're going to hit the third one up. That is Tron. We've seen a lot within their DeFi space, rising 75% in trading right now at 38. That is where we had a little bit of a dip, but a lot of bullish bets on Tron. I think that you look at their total value locked. I agree with that. It's one of the more shifting cryptos in the DeFi space where we look for a lot of meme coins alike. And it's kind of getting into that narrative where it's really early and ever so increasing in popularity, trading meme coins on the Tron network. So that's kind of where we go into it more so. And TRX meme coins have been booming. We know what Justin Sun's been doing, and it's been a very strong marketing push. And I think that's where you see this chart right now, guys, back since 2021. That's an absolutely bullish move. Okay. You want to zoom out, you want to talk about zooming out in crypto. Well, Tron is one of those charts that you definitely want to do that. Super bullish on Tron, as well as we look at Tron and currently within their ranking in the top 10. Not quite a move where we get them in the top 5, but we do have a move into the top 10 where we have over this last year. Look at this rise, guys, moving up one spot. That's into the top 10. And I do think that at a $14 billion market cap for Tron, it's definitely something where there's still room to grow. Okay. And then obviously the last crypto is Toncoin. A lot of people are unfamiliar, but this is one of the kind of ever increasing in popularity altcoins out there due to the Telegram kind of whole community out there. Now, something that's really taken over the blockchain world is how Toncoin has surged over 140%, getting closer to kind of levels that we haven't seen in moves for altcoins. But this is something where the whales are picking up steam within Ton. You do see $5 million. That's something where they have over $5 million in stable coins. And this whale accumulation has driven a lot of price hikes as the market looks to emerge. But the drop that we're seeing here back in September was due to the allegations and that kind of investigation into some fraudulent activities by Telegram, and if Telegram was going to be halted, all that narrative that was behind it, that was the FUD. But ever since then, guys, we have rebounded very nicely. And it's something where you look at Bitcoin with all-time highs. These are the 4 cryptos that are giving a lot of optimism within crypto. And I don't want to just single out these 4, a couple other cryptos in the top 25 that I am eyeing. Obviously, XRP is a big one I talk about. Cardano, Shiba Inu was left off this link. I'm very bullish on Chainlink, Aptos, SWI right here at 22nd. Okay. And these are cryptos where if you look outside of the top 25, don't forget about Caspa, one of the better plays out there, in my opinion, that has not really got the full run as it's only offered in a few places right now at its current state. So that about wraps it up. These are this is my take, I should say, on this article as they dive into 4 cryptos that are picking up a lot of whale activity. They're very bullish right now. And I think that right now, if we do catch some steam and a tailwind from this presidential election just right around the corner, I think there's going to be a lot of renewed optimism with deregulation of crypto in the space. If we do get a red wave, and then obviously from then on out, you can pretty much fill in the blanks on how the markets will respond. So that's what I got for you guys. As always, appreciate you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe right down below. We'll have news updates every single day right here on this channel. And also be sure to check out the links down below for Margex if you want to check out that leverage trading platform. Okay, appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.